Mr. Crypto Web3 Gaming.
Good day mga ka-crypto. Today, susolve natin yung daily quest ni Mass M5. Ang sabi rito, riddle of the day. I am a process that ensure loyalty and then strengthening over time. Without me, the reward are instant. But the commitment could decline. Okay? And the world of crypto, a lack of token away, releasing them slowly, day by day. Okay, what am I? Sabi. Okay, the answer, analysis to my brain, which is try to say this thing. Okay, check the answer, and then wait for a while.